Dear students, I'm going to say a few words about your formative assessment in computer. Like your first formative assessment, this one is totally theory based. You need not to use your PC or laptop. You will do this project in your classwork copy or classwork notebook. Our topic is cell reference in MS Excel. Already you have done this one. We will start this project like give the heading formative assessment class 7. Here you will mention the subject, name, roll number, section, topic and method. See, topic and method already I have mentioned. So you will write this topic and method. This will be your first page, but we will consider the next page as our first page. So next page we are mentioning the subtopic, and it will be our first page, so we will put our page number from this page only. See, here I have mentioned page 1. Like this way only you will do in your copy. In the subtopic, define cell reference in MS Excel. So here you will give a brief definition about the cell reference. Then we are shifting to our second page with the question, briefly explain different types of cell reference with example. You will mention different types of cell reference. Examples need not to put over here. Only different types of cell reference with the number 1 this type, number 2 this type, like this way you will write over here. You can put different color, make it more attractive. In our next page, that will be considered as a third page, you will mention type 1, where the first type of cell reference need to be mentioned. Then a very brief definition of that cell reference will be written over here. After that you will put the example. Now example you can take from your textbook, or by your own choice also you can put the example. Along with the example, put a small diagram of your Excel sheet. You need not to draw the whole spreadsheet or worksheet in your project. Only you will mention the row and column along with their number or along with their addresses, so that it will become easy to explain the examples. Don't draw the full worksheet in your project. Now we are shifting to the fourth page, where you are mentioning the second type of cell reference along with a very brief definition and the example. And in our fifth page, third type of cell reference along with the example and the very brief definition. So student, that's all for today. I hope you all have understood the project, completed very nicely. Thank you, children.